Today I am talking about something different on these stocks. Here you can see these stocks trade at this moment $156 and these stocks gave today's return 0.29%. In the last 5 days these stocks gave 1% return. More than these stocks give in the last 1 month only 2%, more than 2% return. These stocks lose money 2% in the last 6 months. Year to date these stocks gain approximately 30% gain. Okay, and in the last 1 years how much return this stock gain? Here you can see this stock gain approximately 32% market valuation. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years these stocks make 76% gain. That is good. In the last whole return these stocks make approximately 400% return. That means if you invest in $1,000 in the stocks, your money will become $4,000. Okay, so what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.